Okay, so view from above. We now have what are called part of the airbox, which is the central part here. There's a piece behind it that now is used for the driver, which the driver's seat will be attached to and will sit in the middle, just like in the McLaren F1. And the dashboard door part. So the dashboard is here, and the door frame, the front of the door frames is here for the door to hinge outwards, and similar on the other side there. None of this is actually attached. That pipe is not actually attached to that, it's just a small piece of tape. Likewise, that one is not attached there. This one is attached to those, that one's attached to those. So it's basically from there, this is solid, but that is detachable because this is going to be these parts here is part of the middle section. There's the floor parts. Let me go down off that. I'm trying to get like doing a 3D view, a sort of thing of rotating the object. The thing, I can't rotate this, it's too big. Took about 5 minutes to arrange it just in this one spot in the kitchen. This is the beginnings of the floor, right, which the occupants will sit on. Driver, passenger, staggered about 8 inches behind passenger. Feet, driver feet, pedals. Again, reminder, the wishbone suspension for the front, the steering column coming up there to the dashboard here. Right, might have to come back a bit further to about here, because that's quite a long way to get to the same. Well, I'll just have to check how long the steering column actually is. I'm saying it gets some U-joints and some extenders, etc. Wheel well left, wheel archway on the right. Let me come round. And you can see the scoop effect on this. It actually comes out and comes downwards, and also bows downwards. So we don't want smiley faces on cars. It's like the thing. I had a Ford Mustang, 99 Ford Mustang Cobra. The frowny, sad face looked really cool. So that's what this is based on. Thing. Bonnet again, deliberately arches upwards and then back down again to give the appearance that it's got a really cool engine in it, and it's it's just a 5 kilowatt diesel generator. I think beginnings of the windscreen line is there, and again you can see it's not deliberately, it's not dead straight. It's going to be a piece that's about that far back, and it's going to come down like this and then go back up again to again give the impression of having eyebrows that are grr. It's little things like this make a design, yeah. Oh, good fun. Right, yeah, so good progress on this. Not entirely sure what put next to do is probably just more of the floor. We'll probably just do the floor pieces till I get to here. There's no support things on these. There's just a curve, a slight curve. So so this piece is in F0, F2, F6 and 10. No, that's front thing. So floor 15, floor 4, floor 15, floor 11, floor 7, and I've got those numbers. Floor 3. These are the right way around. 3, 7, 11, and 15, because it goes 0, 4, 8, 12, 0, F1, F2, F3. These are in, so that's in on the floor. Those pieces. Yeah, that's it. These pieces are in down there. You can't quite see that because the perspective is something like this, so it's kind of shrunken down. So the next parts are to do. I'll do the next row. I've actually got to 3D print these. There's 2, 6, 10, and 14. I'll have to fire up the 3D printer again before I can get those. So yeah, we're you can see from the list we're on the bits that have been done past couple of days. We are approximately 40% the way through these. Oh come on, I can't straighten these out with one hand. And these parts are all for the airbox, which is where the driver sits. That's all parts for where the driver sits. All of that. Amazing, the sheer numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26 pipes go in just that part alone for the driver seat, and also get sort of like rigidity at the back. It'd be beginnings of getting rigidity at the back of the car, and then the roof goes on the top. So you want, it's about all about transference of forces. These are all the floor pieces, all of those. 10, 25, yeah. So yeah, we've done about 40% of those just in that thing in the past couple of days. Brilliant, cool. All right, time to get on with it.